Thalia Hayden is doing some incredible work out in the cold weather with some props, demonstratively explaining how cold it is out there. Thalia, I don't know how you could possibly top what you did at 6 a.m., but I'm sure you'll give it a real college try. What do you have for us this time?
I am about to, Pat, because I am armed and dangerous with my spatula and my thermometer shield. And let's see, if for those of you who weren't with us before, we cracked an egg on the sidewalk, because you know that expression, it's so hot you could fry an egg on the sidewalk. Well, we wanted to see what happens when it's so cold. Let's take a look here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is frozen. It's kind of melting with the snow there, but it is definitely frozen solid, this egg here. It's nothing that I would want to eat for breakfast, although, Pat, Rebecca, if you give me some money, it might be negotiable. But look at this, guys. This is just proof of how cold it is out there. This, after 2 other experiments, that's our egg experiment. We also have something we want to show you. Look what happens when you throw water up into the air. It freezes on its own, so if you ever want to create your own snow, you can. Oops, I just dropped the egg on the floor. I had it on the spatula, but I dropped it. So we have our egg. We have our frozen socks, frozen to the pail. I don't know if you can tell here, it's still actually stuck to the pail there. And so all of these experiments, I think that we've proven that it's mighty cold out here. Pat, Rebecca?
So cold, Thalia, I think we're losing our live signal there. Great job out there. Some of our younger viewers will think that you look a little like Flavor Flav. You can ask your kids if you don't get that reference. But by the way,